Hi there. What is the best place to start if you want to achieve success in the global Forex market? Now, I ask this question because I know that a Forex market, it can be a very lucrative opportunity, but for a beginner or an average trader, it can be a rocky road to massive losses. And I know that a lot of people have been banned in the Forex market. That is why I want to share with you 5 tips to help you achieve success in the global Forex market, even if you are a beginner or you are already an experienced trader in the market. Okay, now my name is Khanyisa Mhlongo. I am an entrepreneur, very passionate about pursuing financial freedom as well as helping other people to build their businesses using social media strategies. Okay, so personally, I have always stayed away from the Forex market because of 2 reasons, 2 fears that kept me away from the Forex market. The first one, it was fear of losing money. I was very scared of losing money because I believe you can win big, but at the same time, you can also lose big. The second reason why I always stayed away, it was because of time restrictions, because I feared that I will have to stay up day and night watching the charts, because as you may know that the Forex market, it's a 24-hour, 5 days a week financial market. So to be able to really be able to capture the right opportunities, you need to be watching those charts day and night to be able to do that. So that was my fear. That was until one of my wise mentors said to me, instead of avoiding risk, learn how to manage it. And that is exactly what I'm doing. I am learning how to manage my risk. And inside this video, I want to share with you 5 tips that have helped me to achieve success. And I believe they can help you irrespective of your level of experience. So let me go ahead and share these 5 tips with you, and hopefully you can benefit from them. The first one, the first lesson that I've learned is that you must develop a strategy. Like any business opportunity, you must have a strategy. If you do not have a strategy, you must find someone who has a strategy. Then you leverage on their experience as well as their knowledge. That is the first lesson that I learned. The second lesson that I learned is that you want to automate as much as possible. Automate a lot of your trading, okay? If you do not know how to do that, find someone who already has an automated technology and leverage on that technology. The basis of this, of leverage, guys, is that you do not have to recreate everything, because there are people who already have that knowledge, they have a strategy, or they have the technology. So you want to leverage that. Okay, now number 3 is that you must begin small, okay, and use the organic gains to grow your account. Do not get greedy, even though the potential to grow fast is there. Grow with your organic gains. Okay, and then number 3 is that you must learn the skills. Right now, one of the main reasons why a lot of people lose money is because they go in, maybe they attend one class, one lesson, and they want to start getting a lot of success. Now, when you learn the skills, you want to treat them with the same level of respect that you will treat any skills, professional skills, like being an accountant, being a doctor, or being an engineer. Okay, so think about it. If you were a doctor, you wouldn't attend one class and believe that you can now be a surgeon and operate. So learn the skills, take the time to learn the skills. Okay, and then number 5, you want to start early. Don't wait until it's an emergency. Don't wait until it's your only option that's available to make money. Don't wait until you are desperate, because you're gonna make a lot of mistakes. Those are my 5 tips. Develop a strategy, or find someone who's got a strategy. Automate your trading, or find someone who's got automated technology. Begin with a small amount and grow organically, and then learn the skills and start early. Now, these tips, they've helped me to achieve great success as early as possible. And if you want to learn more about any of these tips, I encourage you to get in touch with me. I will be more than happy to share how you can access that information for yourself. Now, even if maybe you want to know why Forex market, what is so special about the Forex market, what makes the world go around when the Forex market is involved, I definitely want to encourage you to get in touch with me. But thank you so much. My name is Khanyisa Mhlongo. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.